Welcome to our tutorial about the Offset Surface command. Let's start by creating some geometry. And let's activate the Extrude command. First, we select the geometry to extrude. Right-click, scroll to Mode, Surface, and a left-click specifies the height of the extruded surfaces. Let's go to the Surface tab now. Activate the Offset command. Let's choose the surfaces to offset first. Right-click to finish the selection. Now we can set the offset distance. Let's enter a value of 1 and press Enter. And here is our offset surface. Let's undo that. Activate the Offset command again and select the surfaces or regions to offset. Right-click to finish the selection. Instead of specifying the distance, let's right-click and scroll to both sides. Press Enter to accept the 1 unit offset. Let's undo that offset. Activate the command again, select the surfaces to offset, right-click. Now let's right-click and select Solid. Right-click again and specify the Both Sides option. 1 unit distance is good, press Enter to accept. As you can see, the offset surface options allow you to achieve a number of different results very quickly. We offset our surface to one side and to both sides, as well as use the tool to create solids. This concludes our tutorial about the Offset Surfaces command.